If you are looking at launching your own YouTube channel, selecting the right niche is among the most important choice that you have to make. The niche you chose will dictate the kind of content you are going to be producing, and that will determine the kind of audience you are going to be building and how much you could earn through your YouTube channel. There are many areas to choose from. Some niche are more lucrative than others. On this video, I'm going to be reviewing the most lucrative niche on YouTube and their CPM. CPM means cost per million views. It is also known as the amount that advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views on YouTube. And this will help you to make money. First, let's talk about how important it is for you to choose a niche. The niche you chose will help you to build an authority or become an authority in a particular field and help you to create certain kind of content. It will help you to want to develop yourself in a particular field so that anytime you are creating video, you will create that same kind of video. People will come to your channel because of your kind of content. People will like you and follow you because of your kind of content. So it is important you have a niche. And for those people that have multiple talents that want to create different kind of niche, while you create different kind of content and as you grow on YouTube, try to niche down, become a voice in a particular field. However it is, you should be more interested in a particular topic than the others. That will help you to build your niche. And the advantages of creating a niche is that by the time you start growing online, people start seeing you as an influencer. People want you to advertise their product for them based on your kind of niche. If gadget or technology company wants to make an advert or want to call an influencer to represent them, they will prefer to call a tech influencer that can review their product. And if you are a beauty or a makeup content creator, advertisers or brands will want to come to you based on your makeup or beauty. And however, this will increase your advertising revenue. Advertisers pay to display their ads on videos and your channel. Their bid can go high or low depending on the competition among fellow advertisers. Making money online is the best niche because creators can make up to $13.52 to $22 for every of their 1,000 views. Digital marketing content is the second because you can make an average of $12.52, while personal finance is at $12. While educational content for children and adults has a CPM rate of $9.89. While tech, cards, gadgets takes a CPM of $7.31. As for the rest of the niche, YouTubers should expect the same amount of CPM rates, around the same figure. I know you love my videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any comments or anything you want to say, you can come down in the comment section below and type in "let's discuss."